Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Home Cook Hero, back with another video for y'all. And today, y'all, I'm going to be making a classic, easy meal. Baked chicken with homemade gravy cooked in the oven, y'all. It is so delicious, and I'm going to make it so easy for y'all. So y'all, if you're into it and it looks good, let's go. Alright y'all, so first I'm just going to show you how I like to take the skin off my chicken. You see right here, this chicken thigh is bone in obviously, but it has all of that fat on there, that big old flap of chicken skin. So I'm just cutting that off with those kitchen shears. Y'all know I say kitchen shears are one of your best friends in the kitchen. So I did all of that, and I like to just clean my chicken, as you saw in my mustard fried chicken video, with some water, cold water, a little bit of vinegar, as well as some lemons and lime. And I like to actually use the fruit to scrub away any excess gunk and slime or whatever off of the chicken. So after that, the chicken is nice and clean. Just rinse it off until the water runs clear, and then you are done, y'all. So this is just a shot of all of the ingredients I will be using in this baked chicken with gravy dish. Definitely check out the description box because I always put all of the ingredients in there so you know exactly what I'm using. So y'all, to the clean chicken, I'm going in with some olive oil, going in with some black pepper. Then I'm going in with my Cajun seasoning. I know that's like my all-purpose seasoning. I use it in pretty much everything I make, so definitely put that up in there. Some garlic powder, and then a little pinch of salt. And I'm also using some chopped up, canned, prepared, I guess you want to say, garlic, minced garlic. Y'all know I normally use fresh garlic, but you know, why not? This is an easy recipe. Just put everything in the pan and forget about it. So for the veggies, I'm using a red and orange bell pepper, and I'm using a medium white onion. I'm just dicing the onion and slicing the peppers roughly. Then I'm going with my BTB chicken, y'all. Y'all know I love that, and this is what's going to make that delicious gravy. So I'm going in with that with about 2.5 cups of water, and I just mix that all up in there until that BTB is nice and dissolved. So now to make the gravy and to make it actually a gravy and thick, I'm going in with some water mixed with a little bit of flour, and you want to just have it in a nice even consistency and pour it all in there, flavoring up this gravy with most of the same seasonings as from the chicken, but I also went in with a little bit of sage, dried sage, because that really makes things taste like a gravy, in my opinion. Definitely try that out though, but if you don't want to, you know, it's fine. You can just use the same seasonings as from the chicken. Then y'all, I'm just going to pour that all over that chicken. Of course, you see we got the veggies all up in there. So yeah, just pour that all over the top of the chicken. Make sure that you kind of, you know, leave some of the chicken exposed. So move some of the veggies off of it. And, you know, you want to have some flesh kind of showing so it can not crisp up or anything because it doesn't have any skin on there. But, you know, I like some color on there. Then put some foil on, y'all, and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes on about 400 degrees, 375 to 400 degrees, y'all. Then took it out and I just basted it a little bit, put some butter on there, about 3 tablespoons, placed it back in the oven uncovered for about 30 to 45 minutes, y'all. And this is what you should have. Look at that thick gravy. Look at that chicken. Look at the color on that chicken. That chicken is nice and tender. We cooked it in that liquid all of that time in the oven, and it just makes the perfect tender chicken ever, y'all. Now, y'all know I had to serve this baked chicken and gravy with some rice to soak up all of that delicious gravy, y'all. So that's what I did. So y'all, I just plating up that chicken. As you can see, look at that gravy, nice and thick. And y'all, one little quick tip about this gravy, you can really just customize it and control how thick it actually really gets. Like I said, you're cooking it in the oven uncovered, and so every 20 minutes or so, just go and check. Or maybe not 20, maybe every 10 minutes or so, just go and check it and see, because the chicken is done. That's why we cooked it with the foil on the top, y'all, to really steam it and make sure it's cooked. And with the gravy part, yeah, just check it every 10 minutes or so while it's cooking uncovered and see if it's getting thick to your liking. As soon as it is, take it out and you're good to go. And y'all, I'm just showing you, of course, I had to shot of me cutting into the chicken, or really just pressing into the chicken and just soaking it up with some of that gravy and just getting a nice big forkful of it. And y'all, like I said, this stuff was so delicious. Definitely a great comfort meal, y'all. Good on these not as cold as they were, but still cold days, y'all, especially up here in New York. So y'all, that is pretty much all I have for y'all today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the recipe if you try it out. So y'all, let me know how you like it down below in them comments. Oh, also, welcome all of my new subscribers. I see y'all, see y'all in there. And I really appreciate it, y'all. So, continue to subscribe if you enjoy what you're seeing, y'all. And yeah, with that said, I will see you in the next video. Later.
It sound right, boy.